I would like to talk a little bit about the statement in the last video. Off-campus positions need to be related to their major. We often get questions about how to determine the relationship between a major and a position. First of all, since there are so many different majors and fields of study at the U of M, ISSS cannot determine or confirm whether the specific position is related to the student's field of study. We encourage students to have a conversation about this with their academic advisor and faculty members who are familiar with the specific major, field, and industry. A helpful exercise here is to make two lists next to each other. One list should consist of skills and knowledge the students obtained through their study of major, and another list is needed skills and responsibilities for the position. After making the two lists, think about how to make connections between items in those two lists. If they can do that without stretching things, that's a good sign. They should think about how they would explain the connections in a paragraph or so. If they have to stretch to make the connections, be careful. This is something that can come up as an issue when requesting ISSS off-campus work permission, and when they are applying for higher stake visa status, such as H-1B or permanent residency in the future. When USCIS scrutinize their application and immigration records, they may ask questions about past employment. If requested, students should be able to provide a statement explaining the relationship between the past employment and their degree confidently. Next 3 slides contain sample explanations of a direct relationship. The first one is about bachelor's degree in electrical engineering. This one is about business. And this one is about music degree.